Hey, it's Keith at Shader Farms, and here we are today with one of our hanging baskets, one of our most popular items here at Shader Farms. And right here in front of me, I have the one we call Hot Summer Lovey-Dovey. So it's got Lovey-Dovey Super Petunia in it. And our goal is that you have success when you take these baskets home. It does us no good for you to take them home and they turn yellow or die or whatever. So we want them to live all summer long. We want you to get the most enjoyment out of them. So the first thing that we do before you even take these baskets home with you, when you check out our secret ingredient here, our Osmocote tabs that we've put in, is fertilizer. It's a slow release fertilizer, and we add these to the hanging baskets. Everyone that goes out here should get a number of these. So we add those there. That's not all the fertilizer you need, so don't think that that's all that you will need throughout the summer. The second thing you will need is a bucket of the proven Winners Water Soluble fertilizer, which needs to be applied at least every other week, if not every week. On heavy feeders like Petunias and Calibrachoa, big baskets like this, you want to do it about every week. There's mixing instructions there, and you just replace your watering one day. Pick a day, any day of the week. Water every Friday, or fertilize every Friday if that's what will make you remember. But it's necessary. You will be amazed at how much better your baskets look. The other thing you can do is, this is like an Osmocote fertilizer too. It's a slow release fertilizer. So the tabs that we put in will be gone by about 4th of July. So if you want to use these, it kind of gives you a cushion if you don't get every week with the water soluble. You want to replace this, reuse it around the 4th of July. We recommend watering pretty much every day on these baskets. Smaller baskets, you might not have to check to see if it needs watered. We always recommend you lifting it up and seeing how heavy it is. Okay, that's really the only way that you can tell whether it needs watered or not, is by lifting to see how heavy it is. We have some care sheets ready for you at the counter when you check out. We don't give you one, ask for one if you'd like one. Our goal is your success here, and we want you to be happy with what you buy, and we will do everything we can to educate you and make sure that your baskets look great from the time you buy them until well into the summer and even into the fall. So we'll see you next time. And if you got any questions, just feel free to give us a call.